Hello children, how are you all? So in this video, we'll be learning about maths next chapter, that is shapes and designs. Now let's have fun with shapes. So in the picture, a clone is given and following the directions you have to color it. Triangle shape you have to color it red, square yellow, rectangle blue and circle in the green color. So you can see here a clone, you have to color it. Then next coming to how many triangles are there in the following figures. So in the first figure you have to count the number of triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is the 9 triangle and here it is 10, then 11 and 12. So in this figure total 12 triangles are there. Then next coming to the next figure. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So and 15. So total 15 triangles are there, but it is written 14 there. You make it 15 triangles. And in the next figure there are total 13 triangles. So big one triangle and small 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 triangles. 9 plus 1, 10, 12, 13 triangles. Then find the biggest rectangle in the figures given below. So this is the biggest rectangle in the figure 1 and here that is the biggest rectangle. And in this picture this will be the biggest rectangle. Okay. So next coming to the edges and corners. Meeta and her 5 friends were playing a game. Tinku was blindfolded and asked to keep clapping as long as he wished while the others would move around a table. The moment Tinku stopped clapping, everybody would stop wherever they were. The child who was not at a corner would be out. Then she would be blindfolded. So in this picture, these children are playing here. And who is blindfolded here? Yes, Tinku is blindfolded. And these children, they have to move around the table. Okay. So Tinku will be clapping as long as the child will be moving there. So now looking at the picture given below, can you tell who is out? Yes, Guddu is out now. Okay. Then where is Guddu standing? Yes, Guddu is standing in the middle of one side of the table. And can this game be played around a round table? Can you tell? Yes, this game can be played around the round table. No, this game cannot be played around the round table because the round table has no corners. Then many things around us have straight edges. For example, in the book, this is the edges, straight edges, and in the chair you can see the edges drawn there, and in the kite also you can see the edges. So these are called as the straight lines, they are called as the edges. And other things have curved edges. For example, wheel and the cork, you can see the curved edge. This one, it is called as the curved edge. Now look around you and identify things with straight and curved edges. So at your home you can see many things like laptop, mobile, book, paper have straight edges, is it? They all have the straight edges. Whereas coin, ball, then balloon, all they have curved edges. Then do the things with straight edges have corners? Yes, of course, the things with the straight edges have corners, and the things with curved edges, they do not have corners because they are round in shape, so they don't have any corners. Then try to find out things which have both straight and curved edges. Yes, pencil, it is long and it has the edges as well as curved and straight edges. Water bottle, capsules, all these things have both straight and curved edges. Coming to the activity time. So you have to take a rectangular sheet of paper and count its corner. So first if you count the corner, there are 4 corners. And if you fold one of its corner, we get 5 corners. Okay. So how many corners does it have now? So you can see in the picture there, it is having 5 corners now. Now how many corners will you get by folding 2 corners? If you are folding 2 corners, you should try this activity at home and find out the answer. I have given the answer, but you also have to conduct this activity. So if you fold 2 corners, you will get 6. And if you fold 3 corners, you will get 7 corners. 4 corners also if you fold, totally you will get 8 corners. Okay. Then can you fold this paper in such a way that it has only 3 corners? You are allowed only 2 folds. Yes, can you? Yes. Just you have to fold that paper into half, okay, and cut the extra paper. Then another fold. So you will get a triangular shape. Okay. You have to try this activity, then you will understand that. The shape you will get here as will be the triangle. Okay, fold the paper along diagonal and then fold the excess. Then look at the following table and tick the names of things that have corners. Also count the number of edges and corners in each of them. So here things are given and you have to tick right the things that have corners. Now you know corners means the point where the 2 edges meet. Okay, those are called as the corners, and edges means the straight lines. So here in the first picture a die is given. Whether it has corners? Yes, it has corners. And how many corners and edges are there? Yes, the die has total 12 edges and 8 corners. So you can count the number of faces there. So 12 edges and 8 corners. So instead of die you can take a matchbox and count. Then you will get the answer. And a ball. Ball has no corners, no edges and no corners also, because it is round in shape. So it doesn't have edges and corners there. Then eraser. You can take your eraser and you can find out the corners. So 8 corners and you will get 12 edges. And in egg also is round in shape. So you won't get any edges or corners. Then a sheet of paper. Yes, a rectangular sheet. It has 4 corners and 4 edges there. Then in the following figures, tick right those which have corners. Do these things have curved lines? So you have to observe 2 things here. You have to tick right where they have corners, and also you have to say whether they have curved lines or not. Yes, do they have curved lines? Yes, they have curved lines. And you can see in the picture there. Is it? All these things have curved lines and corners. But in the last picture, that step-like picture, it doesn't have curved lines there. Okay, they have only corners. Now, using only straight lines, can you draw a figure which has no corners?